Hi, I'm Kevin Rich, consultant with the Perth Mint. We're nearly halfway through the year 2022, and it's been another event-packed period. Inflation has come roaring back to levels we haven't seen over the last 40 years. And the U.S. Fed and central banks are tightening, raising interest rates, but they haven't had an effect on inflation yet. They're also starting quantitative tightening, trying to pull money supply out of the system, but again, no effect on inflation. These events alone would be enough to wreak havoc on the economy. But then we also have Russia invading Ukraine, causing great energy shocks. Well, let's see where we are mid-year. Looking at stock market performance, depending on which country or sector you're in, the stock markets have performed very poorly so far this year, down 15, 20, 30% in some cases. On the flip side, broad commodity indexes are up 40, 50%, taking advantage of the higher material costs and energy costs. The US dollar is very strong, up almost 10% relative to the euro and other developed economies. And this has actually caused a headwind for gold and silver. Gold and silver performance has been pretty flat to slightly down this year. Now that's good if you're looking at gold and silver as a safe haven asset to try to retain your value. You might be a little bit disappointed if you're looking for higher returns. What do we see going forward? Well, everyone has their eye on GDP and labor. If these higher interest rates start to weaken GDP or cause higher unemployment, we could hear the words recession and stagflation, and no one wants to hear that. As we continue through the end of the year, I think that there's going to be a lot of uncertainty, and having gold and silver in your portfolio is a very stabilizing effect, as we've seen historically. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.